In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email using Zendesk Support's ticketing system. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing customer support, as it streamlines communications and ensures every interaction is tracked. To kick things off, let's log into your Zendesk Support account. Once you're inside, navigate to the Tickets view. This is essentially your workspace where all the ticket activity occurs, enabling you to manage customer queries efficiently. After you're comfortably situated in the Tickets view, the next move is to initiate the process of sending a new email by creating a ticket. You'll want to look for either the plus add or new ticket option. Clicking this will open up a fresh ticket where you'll compose your message. Think of this as your blank canvas for customer interaction. Now, you have before you a ticket template. At the top, there's the requester field. Here, you'll enter the email address of the individual you're communicating with. This is important as it ensures your message reaches the right person and the conversation is appropriately logged under their profile. Below that is the subject field. This is where you'll craft the subject line of your email. It's similar to writing an email in a regular email client, but remember, the subject line should be concise yet comprehensive enough to inform the recipient of the email's purpose. Moving on to the comment area, this is where the magic happens. Here, you'll enter the body of your email. This section forms the core content of your message that the requester will read. Take your time to draft a clear and helpful message, ensuring it addresses the customer's needs or queries effectively. After crafting the content, you'll need to set the ticket status. Is the issue open? Is it pending or perhaps on hold? Choose the status that best reflects the nature of your interaction. This helps your team and the customer know what stage the ticket is at in the resolution process. Additionally, select an assignee if it's necessary. This assigns the email to the right team member who can take further action if needed. The final step is to send the email and officially create the ticket. Look for the Submit as New, or simply Submit option. With a click, your message is sent and the ticket is born. This step is crucial as it activates the communication line between you and the requester. And there you have it. You've now effectively logged a new ticket in Zendesk and sent an email to your customer. This process not only keeps your communications organized, but also ensures that every customer interaction is documented for future reference. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes managing your Zendesk support tickets a breeze.